नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी अजित तिजोरे आपणा सर्वांचे गणिताशी गट्टी चॅनल मध्ये सहर्ष स्वागत करतो। नवीन व्हिडिओचे अपडेट मिळवण्यासाठी गणिताशी गट्टी चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबा। आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 10 मॅथ्स पेपर 2 ज्योमेट्रिक कन्स्ट्रक्शन या टॉपिक मधील कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स इफ नो वर्टेक्स इज कॉमन हा उपघटक पाहणार आहोत। Required previous knowledge to construct triangle if lengths of all three sides is given. Second, to construct triangle if lengths of two sides and measure of angle included by them is given. Third, to construct triangle if length of base and measure of both base angles is given. Steps for this construction. First, check whether we can construct given triangle or not. Second, if we can construct given triangle, then find the parts of other triangle corresponding to the parts required for construction of first triangle. Second, if we cannot construct given triangle, first find the missing parts required for the construction, then find the parts of other triangle corresponding to the parts required for the construction of first triangle. Third, construct both triangles as per correspondence. आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 4.1 मधील सम नंबर 1 पाहू। ट्रायंगलची नावं पाहिली की आपल्या लक्षात येते की त्यांच्यामध्ये एकही वर्टेक्स कॉमन नाही। पहिल्या ट्रायंगलच्या तिन्ही साइड दिलेल्या आहेत, त्यामुळे आपल्याला तो ट्रायंगल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करता येईल आणि म्हणून आपण दिलेल्या साइड्सच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स शोधू। सोल्युशन: ट्रायंगल ABC is similar to triangle LMN given. Therefore, AB upon LM equal to BC upon LN equal to AC upon LN equal to 5 upon 4. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. We substitute the given values. Therefore, 5.5 upon LM equal to 6 upon MN equal to 4.5 upon LM equal to 5 upon 4. This is equation 1. Therefore, 5.5 upon LM equal to 5 upon 4 from 1. After cross multiplication, we will get 5.5 into 4 equal to 5 into LM. 5 is multiplied to the right hand side. When we shift to left hand side, it will divide. Therefore, 5.5 into 4 upon 5. Here we can divide 5.5 by 5. So we get LM equal to 1.1 into 4. Therefore, LM equal to 4.4 centimeter. So this is equation 2. Now 6 upon MN equal to 5 upon 4 from 1. We will cross multiply. Therefore, 6 into 4 equal to 5 into MN. 5 is multiplied to RHS. So we shift it to LHS. It will divide. Therefore, MN equal to 6 into 4 upon 5. Therefore, MN equal to 24 upon 5. After division, we'll get MN equal to 4.8 centimeter. This is equation 3. Again, 4.5 upon LN equal to 5 upon 4 from 1. We will cross multiply. Therefore, 4.5 into 4 equal to 5 into LN. Again 5 is multiplied to RHS, so when we shift to LHS it will divide. Therefore, LN equal to 4.5 into 4 upon 5. We simplify here. Therefore, LN equal to 0.9 into 4. After multiplication we'll get LN equal to 3.6 centimeter. This is equation number 4. In triangle LMN, we have LM equal to 4.4 centimeter, MN equal to 4.8 centimeter, and LN equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now we are ready to construct the triangles. First we will construct triangle ABC. We take longest side as a base. So here we have drawn segment BC of length 6 cm as base. Then we take 5.5 cm distance in compass. We put the pointer on B and draw an arc. Then we will take 4.5 cm distance in compass. We'll put the pointer on C and intersect the arc made earlier. Now this point of intersection of two arcs will be our third vertex of triangle, that is A. Now draw segment AB and AC. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now BC is the base, so its corresponding side is MN. We'll draw segment MN of length 4.8 cm as base. Then we will take 4.4 cm distance in compass. We will put pointer on M and draw an arc. Then take 3.6 cm distance in compass, put the pointer on N and intersect the arc made earlier. Name the point of intersection of these two arcs as L. Draw segment LM and LN. So triangle ABC and triangle LMN are the required triangles. आता आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 4.1 मधील सम नंबर 3 पाहणार आहोत. ट्रायंगलच्या नावाचं निरीक्षण केल्यावर लक्षात येते की या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मध्ये एकही वर्टेक्स कॉमन नाही. शिवाय ट्रायंगल आरएसटीच्या दोन साइड्स आणि इन्क्लुडेड अँगल दिला आहे. त्यामुळे तो ट्रायंगल आपण नक्कीच कन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकतो. म्हणून आता आपण ट्रायंगल आरएसटीचे जे पार्ट दिलेले आहेत त्याचे करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट शोधू. सोल्युशन. ट्रायंगल RST is similar to triangle XYZ given. सर्वप्रथम आपण अँगल शोधू. Therefore, angle RST equal to angle XYZ equal to 40 degree because corresponding angles of similar triangle are congruent. And RS upon XY equal to ST upon YZ equal to 3 upon pi because corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. We substitute the given values. Therefore, 4.5 upon xy equal to 5.7 upon yz equal to 3 upon pi. So this is equation 1. Therefore, 4.5 upon xy equal to 3 upon 5 from 1. Now we will cross multiply. Therefore, 4.5 into 5 equal to 3 into xy. 3 is multiplied to RHS, so we shift it to LHS. Therefore, 4.5 into 5 upon 3 equal to XY. Now we will simplify. Therefore, 1.5 into 5 equal to XY. After multiplication, we will get XY equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now 5.7 upon YZ equal to 3 upon 5 from 1. We will cross multiply. Therefore, 5.7 into 5 equal to 3 into YZ ची किंमत मिळवण्यासाठी 3 ला आपण LHS ला शिफ्ट करू. RHS ला तो मल्टिप्लाय आहे. LHS ला शिफ्ट करताना तो डिवाइड करेल. Therefore, 5.7 into 5 upon 3 equal to YZ. येथे आपण सिम्प्लिफाय करूया. Therefore, YZ equal to 1.9 into 5. Therefore, after multiplication, we will get YZ equal to 9.5 centimeter. Say this is equation 3. In triangle XYZ, angle XYZ equal to 40 degree, XY equal to 7.5 centimeter and YZ equal to 9.5 centimeter. Now we are ready to construct both the triangles. First, draw segment ST of length 5.7 centimeter. Then we'll measure 40 degree angle at point S. Draw this angle. Then we will take 4.5 centimeter distance in compass. As this distance is between R and S, we'll put pointer on point S and intersect the side of an angle. Name that point as R. Draw segment RT. So triangle RST is ready. Now corresponding side of ST is YZ. So draw segment YZ of length 9.5 centimeter. Then measure an angle of 40 degree at point Y. Then take 7.5 centimeter distance in compass. Put the pointer on Y and intersect the side of angle Y other than base. Name that point as X and draw segment XZ. Triangle RST and triangle XYZ are the required triangles.